Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I missed picking you guys up. If you are new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe to become a part of this family. And my returning subbies, guys, welcome back. Guys, we're just starting our day right now. It is 9:57. It's Tuesday morning. This will be a spend the day with me. So yeah, I am about to take this Moringa powder. So I've been taking this religiously for 2 weeks now, if not more. Yeah, but I think it's been 2 weeks that I've been taking Moringa powder. I do take it every day on an empty stomach. You can use it in your smoothies, juice, yogurt, whatever works better for you, because it tastes really bad. I cannot stomach this, so I'll show you guys how I take this. So I just take it like grandpa. I take it like grandpa because it works better for me, like, and it's easier to intake it. People throw it in water, juices. I cannot. I was sick the first day I tried that. I was vomiting, just wasn't working out. So just take a teaspoon. Okay. So it has amazing benefits. I'll list them here because I can't remember all of them right now, but also one of them is helping you with weight loss. Guys, so I saw this on TikTok. You put some castor oil, but I don't have the cold pressed one, so we're going with the original one. It still works fine. You put some in your navel and just rub some on your stomach. I've been doing this for the past, I think, 2 days now, in how I've been feeling. So you just wrap it around your stomach like this. The first night I wore it to bed, I wore it overnight. I was sweating, guys. I was actually panicking because my body was going through a lot of feelings. Like, it was scary, but I guess it was working. So yeah, I'm gonna keep doing this. So I'm gonna keep this on while I exercise and do a couple of things. Yeah. When it's done, obviously just gonna tuck it in. Yeah.
Are you ready to crush this thing and feel amazing afterwards? Then girl, let's do this.
Mommy. Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to make the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment of
Guys, I'm done with my workout, cooling down, and I think I want to start cooking our lunch now. What I've been doing this past few days just to help me like have some relaxing time later on in my day is I start cooking Abby's lunch and our food really early, and then I know later on in the day I have some time just to relax, and I can just have some me time before I start cooking. Moringa powder, I also use it as a mask. I use it once a week. Guys, the first time I used this mask, my daughter was so scared of me, but I'm not gonna lie, it makes you look really scary, but it's really good for your skin as well. So we're gonna do that right now and then start cooking. I already marinated my chicken the night before, so I'm just gonna put it in the air fryer, and yeah, let's get into it. So you mix 1 teaspoon of moringa powder with a little bit of water and form it into a paste. Make sure your face is clean. Cleanse it first, and then you just go in.
Walker. Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to make the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They
So I usually leave this on until it gets completely dry on my face. So I'm gonna leave it on for a couple of hours since I will be busy cooking. So yeah guys, I would highly suggest, if you're a woman, that you try moringa powder. It has amazing benefits for women. Like, you will not regret it. The taste is nasty, it's disgusting, it's terrible, but the results are so worth it. And yeah, I suggest you try it, and it's really affordable as well. So you can try this mask. Let me know if you guys like it. I'm gonna leave it on for a few hours for now before I jump in the shower and freshen up. So yeah.
Walker. Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to make the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on.
Guys, I'm just wearing a black bikini, and then I'm going in with this dress. Nice. Let's see. And then I'm gonna wear my slides. I'm just gonna keep this hat on. I'm not putting on a wig. It is extremely hot. The heat is insane, so I'm gonna get Abby ready now. Yeah. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch I do it. Oh, I won't cry with skinny. I'm not. Long as you joking, now it's for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinny, do it. I show bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look
now.